Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your travel insurance with American Express, full guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your travel insurance with American Express, start by visiting the official American Express website. Log into your account using your user ID and password. Once logged in, navigate to the travel section of the website. Look for options related to travel insurance or travel protection services. Click on Upgrade Travel Insurance to view available options. Review the details of your current travel insurance plan. Take note of the coverage limits and benefits you currently have. Compare these with the upgraded plans available to you. Select the upgrade that best fits your travel needs. Pay attention to any new features or enhancements offered in the upgraded plans. Add the upgraded plan to your cart. Proceed to checkout to review your order details. Confirm that all information is accurate before making your payment. Select your preferred payment method and complete the transaction. Once the payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. This email will include details of your upgraded travel insurance coverage. Make sure to save a copy of this confirmation for your records. If you have any questions or need assistance, contact American Express customer service. Keep your travel insurance documents handy when planning your next trip. Review your new coverage limits and benefits before your travels. With these steps, you can ensure you're well protected during your travels with American Express. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.